AYMultiCharacter Cartoony. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this new version 2 Cartoony option that was added to AY. And when you take it down, you see it's divided into 3: upper face, mid face, lower face. So what this does that you can edit different parts of the character's face. So the upper part of the face can be edited. It's quite slow. Let's go to circles. It can be edited. You see, it changes from this to this. It looks very different. So you can edit further. So each of this option does different things to the upper parts of the character's face. So this one is pulling it up and down. Or this one is making it backspace to reset. This one is making it wider and narrow. Then this one is doing different things, like this one is affecting the ear. So each one is different, and by just mixing each part, you get a different character. Even though the eyes, the eyebrow, the ears, everything is the same, but by applying this Cartoony to the character, you can easily get a very different character. So if I go under randomization and click on character, I want to deactivate everything and just click on Cartoony face. So what it's going to do is going to randomize the upper face, the mid face. This one edits the middle of the face. So each of this is for the middle, for the face. Then the lower face, this one is for the lower part of the face. So you see, it's pulling that out and it's pulling that in. So the character looks different. If I turn off Cartoony, see the character, this looks very different from this. Then if you now increase this deformation to like 10, it looks so funny and so cartoony. So if that's what you want, if you just want just a little bit of it, you can reduce it. So the default is 5. So now let's go to our randomization. Just randomize the character. Because just Cartoony is active, it's just going to activate it's just going to randomize just the Cartoony face. So with this, you can get, let's go to Eevee. You can get different look. So the same base character, but different look, just by randomizing the Cartoony. That's it for this video. Quite interesting, right? I can do this forever.